Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. I'm back with few more jobs and internship updates. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for more regular updates related to jobs and internships. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any important updates. So let's start the video. First, hiring is from Zycus, hiring for product technical analyst. Location is Mumbai, and the requirements are engineering graduate from BE BTech in CSIT electronics. Experience level 0 to 4 year, strong written and verbal communication skills, willingness to work in shift, flexible, enthusiastic approach to work in, including a strong desire to learn new tools, techniques to solve business problems, and so on. And next update is from PayPal. PayPal is hiring for software engineer. Location is Chennai. These are the job description, primary responsibilities, required skills, some level of experience supporting designing, developing and delivering software platform, proficiency developing object oriented software in Java, experience debugging failures in QA and production environments. So I guess this is for experienced candidate with knowledge of Java and their tools. Next update is from JPMorgan Chase and Co. hiring for software engineer. Location is Bengaluru. It's full-time opportunity. These are the job descriptions, responsibilities, and other things are not mentioned like graduation year. So freshers to experienced candidate can apply with their luck. Next update is from LCEG for junior platform developer. Location is this, and these are the roles and responsibilities. Qualifications, experience are professional qualifications or equivalent, basic knowledge of at least programming language like Java and Python, basic knowledge of pattern. Next update is from same company, hiring for technology graduate program. Location is Bangalore, and requirements are that this is for a 23 batch pass out student with undergraduate or master's degree. So go and apply if you are 23 batch pass out. These are the steps, requirement process. First, your CV will be shortlisted, then there will be online test, MCQ and coding. Second round will be technical, second round of group assessment interview, and so on. Go and apply. Next update is from Accenture. Accenture is hiring for associate software engineer. 0 to 11 months of experience required. So basically this is for 22 batch pass out. These are the job locations. So go and apply if you are 22 batch pass out student. Next update is from again Accenture hiring for virtual experience program. So if you are in a college and you don't have any experience, so you can do this virtual internship by Accenture. Next update is from Siemens hiring for software development intern. Location is Bengaluru, and this is for a student not yet graduated, and it's full-time and part-time. Next update is from Interpret hiring for winter internship machine learning. This is 6-month long internships. These are the qualifications: willingness to evolve into full-time ML engineer, ML scientist at Interpret. Wide experience with Python and NLP, strong programming abilities, especially Python, scientific stack, NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and so on. Go and apply if you are eligible. Next update is from American Express hiring for engineer second. Location is Gurgaon, and the requirements are these, not especially mentioned. So if you check the job description, if you have these skills, then apply. All the links will be in the description. And don't forget to follow our LinkedIn page for more regular job updates. I post regularly, and support us by subscribing our YouTube channel. We post regularly related to jobs and internships. Go and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, then contact me. I will resolve your queries. Also, before applying for these opportunities, try to update your resume. I have some good resume templates. If you want, don't contact me. I will share it with you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.